Understanding Using Coupons, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical aspect of the English language, the concept of using coupons. Whether you're shopping online or in a store, understanding how to use coupons can save you money. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Coupons are a form of discount vouchers or promotional codes that businesses offer to customers. They are typically used to provide a discount on certain products or services. Coupons can be found in newspapers, flyers, emails, or even online. They often have a specific code or a barcode that can be scanned or entered during a purchase to apply the discount. 1. Printable coupons. These are physical coupons that you can print out and bring to a store. 2. Digital coupons. These are available online and can be used for online shopping. They might come as codes to enter at checkout. 3. In-store coupons. These are available directly in the store, either at the entrance, at the cash register, or in the aisles. 4. Manufacturer coupons. Issued by the product's manufacturer. These can be used in various stores that sell the specific product. Using coupons is quite straightforward. 1. Find a coupon. Look in newspapers, online, or in store. 2. Check the terms. Look for expiration dates and any specific conditions. 3. Apply the coupon. For physical stores, present it at checkout. For online purchases, enter the code in the designated area during the checkout process. 4. Save money. The discount will be applied, reducing the total cost of your purchase. Clip a coupon means to cut out a coupon from a flyer or newspaper. Redeem a coupon means to use a coupon to get a discount. Coupon code, the specific code used for online discounts. Expiration date, the last date a coupon can be used. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to use coupons and the language surrounding them. Remember, using coupons is a great way to save money while shopping. Keep practicing your English, and you'll be a coupon expert in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.